Good morning, everybody. Today we present one of the genset for the rental market in the USA. It is equipped with a COM-up controller and able to deliver different voltages as required for the USA market. And especially it is equipped with this distribution panel for the single phase voltages 120 and split phase voltages 240, 120. Each one of these full sockets are protected through a circuit breaker. Here we have the full power terminal blocks from where you can draw the full output power of the genset. The output voltage is through this voltage changeover switch, where the three voltages can be selected: three phase 208 120, three phase 480 277, or split phase and single phase in this case. But this hatch closing are protected through a micro switch. So once you open this or that, generator will trip the output for safety reasons. Here are some controls for the generator output control. There is a contactor to open and close the output. And this trimmer is to adjust the output voltage if needed in case you have long cable from here to the load. This is a disconnecting device that will disconnect the output to the terminal blocks, and it is also a protection circuit breaker, automatic circuit breaker for the output. This side of the engine, where there are not so important things for maintenance, but please note the battery heating device and the engine cooling water heating device that are used to allow the usage of the engine in cold environment. This side we have the main maintenance elements, so oil filters, fuel filters, and the fuel tank spout top-up that is equipped with the mechanical level gauge to help the management of the refueling. And as you can see, all the exhaust has a complete treatment because this engine is Tier 4 final certified for the USA market. To be noted also details about mechanical fixings that are done to allow the installation of the genset on a trailer. Here we have the hybrid module. It can be used alone with the battery fully charged to supply a load without any noise and any fuel, or in conjunction with the generating set to reduce the engine running hours and the fuel consumption in some condition. It is equipped with a 100 kVA inverter and coupled with a 50 kVA generator will make the system able to start at 30-40 horsepower electrical motor, while alone a 50 kVA genset is not able to do it. So this will make the system able to save a lot of fuel consumption and engine running hour, because the engine will run most of the time at its best fuel efficiency point. That means at least 60-70% of its rated output. And when it will be necessary to supply a lower load, the engine can be switched off instead of run it at a low efficiency. But let's see the main components of this system. Well, there is the 100 kVA inverter, first of all, and a distribution panel that you can see is exactly the same we have in the Genset. And so it is equipped with 4 connectors and outlets, each one protected by a circuit breaker. The 2 ones on the left are for split phase, the other ones for single phase. Full power terminal blocks here, and in this case we have also the input of the generator, and also smaller terminal blocks are for the generator start and stop control from this. Also here it is available the voltage changeover switch to select the necessary output, and all protections and selectors to indicators to have the status of the operation. All the power, electrical power and the voltages are showed in this display, as well as on the inverter display in some cases. The sample is equipped with this Italian brand batteries, lithium NMC technology, with integrated embedded BMS communicating with our system controller. They are 355 volt each. They are put in series to provide 710 rated voltage with about 35 kilowatt hours capacity. The next design forecast is for very similar battery technology, but new release that are much more energy dense. They are slim and allow to allocate in the same space 3 times this energy, or with graphene supercapacitors that will allow a double energy than the 3 together. Means these are 35, that ones will be 105 kilowatt hours. The supercap will be about 140 kilowatt hours. But mainly the supercap technology has theoretically unlimited lifetime in terms of charge-discharge cycles. The system is, we can have a look from the other door that is for maintenance. The system is equipped with all necessary transformers and everything that allows the different voltages output from the system.
Ascot, energy everywhere.